Let's talk residential roofing maintenance, specifically roof flashing maintenance in the greater Houston area. When Houston's world-famous weather strikes, you want the creases around your roof's chimney, vents, valleys, dormers, and skylights to be airtight. That's going to require regular roof flashing maintenance. We all know the Texas sun can be relentless, but it can also cause your roof's flashing to become brittle and crack, leaving it unprotected from heavy rain. Heavy rain can overwhelm clogged gutters and back up under the flashing, causing leaks. Leaks can cause mold growth, rot, and damage to your home's interior. And the mold itself, it can trigger allergies and respiratory issues. Plus, a leaky roof means higher energy bills and potential decrease in your home's value. Put simply, ignoring flashing maintenance can lead to big problems. Even the occasional freezing temperature can damage your flashing as water freezes and expands. Remember, by taking proactive steps to maintain your roof flashing, you'll save yourself money and major headaches down the road. If you're in the greater Houston area, contact Houston Roofing and Construction today to learn how we can help you enjoy the peace of mind that comes with staying ahead of the storm.